Hi, hello, welcome to RIDE.WEEKENDS. So in this video we are going to see a quick review about the accessories I use in Taigun. So let's open the boot space. So this is the red triangle reflection one and a set of number plates with the extra number plate holder. This is a 3D anti-scratch sticker, so which you use to apply near the doors to avoid the scratches while entering or getting down. And this is the box from Volkswagen. So in this we have a windshield washer, so where we used to add 50 ml of windshield washer in 5 liter of water while refilling the windshield water in the bonnet. And we have shampoo, so where we used to have 10 ml of shampoo in 1 liter of water. So usually I used to mix 2 to 3 cups of shampoo in 20 liter of water while washing the car. And this is the cover. Here is the main thing. So here we have Insta Shine polish sponge. So here this is inside, there is a sponge which is already filled with liquid. So this you wish to clean the dashboard for shining and cleaning purpose. And then we have a 3M glass cleaner. So usually after cleaning the car, I mean exterior with water and all, so I used to use this glass cleaner to avoid the dots or for the finishing one. And we have a WD-40 to avoid the cracky sound while opening the door, and a few nuts and bolts in the bonnet or near the doors. And then the next one is rat repellent spray. So usually in cities or in villages, many have faced this problem. So to avoid the rat baits in engine bay or everything, so you can use this rat repellent spray. And then coming to the next one, this is the multi-purpose vacuum cleaner. This is from Portronics, which costs around 2000 rupees. So coming to this product, why I said multi-purpose vacuum cleaner instead of car cleaning car vacuum cleaner. So this is the USB cable for the charging with this pin. So we used to charge with this cable. So usually we have two types of vacuum cleaner. So one is with the rechargeable one and one is with the wire, which comes with the 12 volts socket which used to available in cars. But nowadays most of the cars won't come with the 12V socket. So in that case we can use this as a multi-purpose. So that's I mentioned as multi-purpose one. So where we can recharge and you can use in homes, not only in the cars. And we have a few extensions for the vacuum cleaner. That's 1, 2, 3. And this is for the brush for the cleaning. Yeah, that's all in the accessories in the box. So usually these are the accessories. Yeah, so there is one more, the most important, which is usually found in the cars, that is the microfiber cloth, and we can say it like a multi-purpose all-in-one cloth, so which I used to use for the car cleaning in terms of washing with water or with the dry cloth. So these are the main accessories I use in Taigun. See you in next video. Bye.